How to set up Local Proxy in ClonBrowser. Using Local Proxy in ClonBrowser, you can share your proxy with other devices on the LAN, such as mobile devices, phones, pads, etc., making it easy for you to operate on multiple devices. To use this function, you need to find Local Proxy in Application Market and subscribe to this function. Then go back to the proxy page, create a new proxy and click Setup, fill in the proxy information. Choose HTTP as protocol and enter an available port between 80,160,000. In the advanced settings, you can fill in the username and password. Click OK and then the local proxy is added. Click Launch, click the question mark button to view the proxy configuration, and enter the information on the device to be synchronized with the proxy. Pay attention, your devices need to be on the same LAN. For example, in your phone, open WLAN and its advanced setting, choose to set the proxy by yourself. Then enter the configuration of your proxy. If you have more questions, contact our customer service or visit the help center.